Hello friends, every step I'm going to show you has been verified by professional mechanics, so relax, we're going to fix this. When your Chevy shows the message, battery saver active, the first thing you think is, did my battery die? Don't worry, it doesn't necessarily mean your car is in full crisis mode. What's really happening is that the system detected that the 12-volt battery is low or not charging properly, so it goes into saver mode to make sure you're not left stranded. Many mechanics in this shop agree that this message can appear even when everything seems normal. The vehicle's computer is very sensitive. If the battery drops below a certain voltage, even just a little, the car decides it's better to be safe and activates battery saver mode. It's like that friend who always carries a flashlight just in case, even when there's plenty of light. The most common cause, according to mechanics, is that the battery is actually low or weak. In many cases, measuring it with a multimeter shows less than 12.4 volts, indicating it needs a recharge or replacement. But keep in mind, it's not always the battery. Sometimes the battery voltage sensor is faulty and sends wrong signals, making the car think the battery is weak when it really isn't. Another frequent issue is a poor electrical connection. If the battery terminals are loose, dirty, or corroded, the current doesn't flow properly, and the system thinks the battery is failing. Cleaning the terminals and tightening them correctly often makes the message disappear instantly. Some even report cases where they replaced the battery but forgot to connect the cable to the correct sensor, which confused the system. If the message still appears after checking the battery and connections, the next thing to look at is the alternator. If it's not keeping the battery charged while driving, the car will continue activating saver mode. Many mechanics recommend measuring the alternator output. If it's below 13.8 volts while running, you found the culprit. And if the message still won't go away, some have had to perform a full scan of the electrical system or a reconfiguration at the dealership so the computer correctly recognizes the new battery or the actual state of the alternator. This is especially useful on models where the computer gets confused after a battery replacement or power interruption.